Hi, I'm Cole, and 8 months ago I got the FUE hair transplant at the Sharma clinic. I know for some people losing hair isn't as big of a deal, but for me it really was. It was becoming an issue. I was unhappy with how I looked and didn't go anywhere without wearing a hat. I never thought I would not wear a hat ever. They wanted to see me get the results I had dreamed of, and they made that dream a reality. I got all my hair back, and I never thought I'd have this kind of hair again. So it's been incredible. I can't believe the change in just my personality, and my day-to-day life is better. I never wear a hat anymore. Got my confidence back, I feel like. I've just really been enjoying it because I never thought I'd have my hair back again. It's pretty cool. What I would tell to somebody that was dealing with hair loss and bothered by it the same way as me would be just to take a chance with the FUE transplant. I mean, I was hesitant at first, but like I said, after meeting with Dr. Sharma, I was just assured that this is going to work and I'm going to get the results that I want. So if you're skeptical about it, I recommend you just come and chat with Dr. Sharma and see if it's right for you. I guarantee that you won't be disappointed with your meeting with him or with the results if you decide to go through with it. Anybody that's dealing with hair loss, I 100% recommend you come and try this out and check out the Sharma clinic. It's probably the best thing I've ever done. I've never been happier.